This spacious split-level 2-bedroom and 2-bath corner condo features newer appliances, a full-size laundry room and a large balcony overlooking the main tennis court and lake. Conveniently located within walk-in distance to the Wholefoods Market, Publix and Trader Joe, you are just a short drive from the ocean and downtown. The development features 2 heated pools, a spa tub, fitness center and clubhouse. Excellent year-round residence, the property can also be rented on a short-term basis for the season. Offered fully furnished.